Okay, so last one for this chapter, we want to create the several pivot table views. Okay, all right. So we use a different data set, which is electromat sales. Okay, we will build several pivot tables. Okay, so based from the time, day, and region, and other categorical as well. Okay, so now we open the elect sales file. Okay, file. Go to the slide. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Okay, so this already I showed you previously, and then okay, so we will create pivot tables that have a sum for every category. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so different view, right? Okay, like this. Okay, sorting. You can sort as well using a pivot table. Okay, or you can add. Okay, so you can add do a pivoting. Okay, place a say a region uh, to row. Okay, the column, right? And then you can add second row. Okay, third field as gender. Okay, so third variables. So we will do separately. Okay, so first let's say we want to create this. Okay, insert, add data. Okay, so today and I will go to the new worksheet. Okay. Okay, so example here, afternoon and area. Okay, so day, not day, I think time. Okay, afternoon and area. Okay, so example afternoon and area region. Okay, so afternoon and a region. Okay, all right. Then total cost. Total cost. Okay, display sum of total cost. Okay, so total cost for afternoon in different region, total cost. Okay, so now let's say we have afternoon, evening, and morning. So let's say we move up. Okay, move to beginning. Okay, so beginning. Okay, so when you want to create a table, make sure you display the table. There is sequence. I use a proper sequence. Okay. All right, so let's say I want to move this sum total. Okay, this total is on the top. So this is a total for this four region. Okay, so click here and click a design. Okay, so show all subtotals. Okay, to at the bottom of group. Okay, so this is a total. Okay, so instead of totals on the top, so then we want to show at the bottom. Okay, so total for morning, total for afternoon, and total for evening. Okay, all right. So the proper table to create. Okay, next one we want to create here. Okay, so a region in a different column. Okay, so let's say we want to move this to uh, different columns in it. Okay. Um, okay, so instead of regions is under the main subtopic. Okay, so we want to move it to another column. Okay, so then in the design ribbon, okay, you can choose either you want to use like this, okay, how you want to display outline like this, okay, or in tabular form. Okay, so this is a tabular form. So it depends how you want to visualize, display your table. Okay, either you want to put under the same column or in the different column. Okay. Alright, so next is you want to sort value from smallest to the largest. Okay. Sort value, sort. Okay. Home. Then let me see. Okay, sort from smallest to largest. Okay. Alright. So this is you. Sorry. Go to the home ribbon, and you will see in editing area. You will see sort and filter. Okay. Then just click sort. Okay. Just click sort from. Depends lah. If you want to display largest to smallest, then largest to smallest. Okay. Alright. So for every category. Okay. Smallest to largest. Can see in the afternoon, the highest total cost is west area, but in the afternoon, northeast, and evening is west again. Okay. Alright. So south is the lowest cost. I mean that south is among the lowest cost lah, even though in afternoon, so it's the second lowest total cost. Okay. Alright. So this is you want to display based on the total cost. Okay, so next you want to display in a column and row. Okay, column and row. Then take the region, move to the column. Okay, so this is in the, like I showed previous lah. Okay, so in the contingency table. Okay, and then you want to add another variables. Okay, so this is only two categorical variables. You want to add another variable which is a gender. Okay, so go to the and then click gender. Okay, gender. Okay, gender. So it depends lah how you want to display here. Design, I don't want to put different, or you want to put under. Okay, and then you want to change the subtotals, bottom. Okay, total for every gender. It's total for every region. Okay, so it depends how you want to display your table. Okay, then what's next? You want to summarize average. I already show you. Okay, average. Average cost. Okay, show previously average cost. Show value average, or one, two, three. This is average cost. Okay. Right, so make sure that when you want to display, if there is a decimal point, change it to the only up to the decrease. Okay, decimal point. Okay, so in your home ribbon number area, there will be a editing for decimal point. Okay, so this is a average cost for every gender and every region based on the different time. Okay. All right. So next one, what else? Okay. So you say you just want to show morning and evening only. Okay. So morning and evening, want to exclude the afternoon. Okay. All right. And go to the afternoon, and then you can see row labels here, and remove the afternoon. Okay. So now no longer afternoon, only morning and evening area. Okay. So this is a filtering in the table. Okay. So if you want to clear, then just clear. Okay. So clear the table. Okay. Filtering, and then let's say you want to add the filter. Okay, daytime want to add a based on the filter. So add a filter. You can see on your left here, on your right. Okay, so this is a four box here. So we want to add a day as a filter. Okay, so just click day and drag to the filter. Okay, so you will add a filter here. So let's say you want to see the value on for Sunday only. Okay, on Sunday only. So this is the average cost, average for gender, every region and different time. Okay, for Sunday. Okay, so let's say select multiple. Let's say select multiple for Sunday and Saturday weekend. Let's say okay, and okay. Okay, so this is again average cost. If you want to change its total, then summarize value as sum. Okay, so this is a total cost for like weekend, different region, different gender, and at the different time. Okay, next is let's say you want to create chart. I will show you how you can create chart from the table, from the filtered table, from the pivot tables. And then let's say you want to uh, drag. Okay, you want to add the average and total cost. Okay, average and total cost. Depends. Right, average and total cost for area. Okay, so remove the gender. We remove the gender. Now remove gender. Okay, so this is an average, and then we will add total cost again. Okay, and value is in here. Yeah. All right. This is average. Oh, sorry. Cancel and change this to value and average. Okay. Okay. And view design view on row. Oh, sorry. On. Okay. Layout. Okay. Show in show in tabular. Okay. Time value first. So if you want to arrange, okay, so let's say this is a morning value and then value. So let's say you want to display value first and we just change it. Okay, so this is the average total cost and sum total cost. Okay. All right. So let's say you can do display like this. Okay. All right. And for weekend, if you want to clear, then just clear tick here. Okay. So this is an overall total for full week, okay, for the whole week. And then you can create the chart, okay, you can create the chart, multiple chart here, okay, show you how to create, just create the chart here, okay, click here, and then pivot chart, okay, so this is a pivot chart for average and total. Of course, cannot use this since of course average is smallest than total cost. Okay, average we remove an average. Okay, all right, so go to the design, insert pivot table, add the pivot chart. Okay, all right, so you can choose how you want to display. Is it like this or like this, by okay, bar, okay, or column, okay, for every category, morning and region. Or if you want to change by region, okay, let's say you want to change it to by region, then just switch row. Okay, we just switch row. So this is by region. Okay, by region and for a different time for every region. Okay, so you just want to display this. Okay, what else? You can create here quarterly. Okay, so quarterly, you want to display by quarterly, by date. Okay, let's say I want to add a new pivot chart. Okay, pivot table, sorry, and then go to the data. Existing. Okay, and then okay. So let's say we want to put date. Okay, so by date and cost again. Okay, cost. So automatically there will be a month there. Okay, months, every month. Okay, so more tables. Hmm. Okay, so this is a sum of total cost for based on the monthly. Okay, so let's say you want to add a quarterly. How much? I don't need lah. Put this one. Okay, you want to add a quarter. Uh, go to date and then it's quarter. No, not quarter. Okay, and do. Um, okay, so let's say we want to add a quarter here. Okay, so it's month and then you want to add a quarter. So right click. Okay, and then right click any area in the months. Okay, so then go to the group, click group. And now you can see they add only days and months. There you can add quarter because only 1 year, so you don't need to add year. Okay, so quarter. Okay, now you can see it's in a quarterly. Okay, quarter one, second quarter is April, is in the second quarter. So you have 2 quarters only, first quarter and second quarter. Okay, right. So if you do you want to display, if you don't want to display days, and then you can remove days. Okay, so quarter by months only. Okay, first quarter and second quarter. Then you can create a chart from here. All right, so I think that's all for this table, for this chapter. Okay, so you can create a pivot table, easy to create. So you don't have to create a formula. You want to display using a percentage or count, or you want to identify the relationship between the categorical, or want to display a categorical and numerical. Just use a pivot table, easy to create a table. Okay. Alright, so I already create, summarize using Excel table and pivot table. Okay. Alright, see you on the next class. Bye bye.